first, you want to download the app, and once it's downloaded, just go on your phone, find the app, click on it, and you want to get started. Once you do this, you have the option, we'll go with create a new wallet, pick a password that suits you, and then you'll be prompted up with a bit of information, and you can start to secure your wallet. You'll be presented with your seed phrase. It is really important that you keep this safe. You'll want to write this down on a piece of paper and keep it stored safely. This is your backup for your wallet, and please do not lose this. Don't share it with anyone. It's very important to keep this safe. Now you'll double check your seed phrase, make sure it's correct, and you'll be done the setup of your account. As easy as this. Now, for this video, we're going to work on the BNB chain. So make sure to switch to that if it's not already. Now you can proceed and click on BNB, and you can click receive. This way you know which wallet to send your money to. To be able to use the card, you'll need to KYC. All you have to do is KYC for card, continue, and then you'll start off by putting your number. Just put the first 3 digits of your area code. It'll show you that it's available for your country. Now you'll have to proceed and input the information that it asks you. I've already done the KYC. I'll link a tutorial down below if you really need it. But now we'll continue to the next steps once your KYC has been verified. Now you'll want to go on the card tab and create card. Once that's done, go select your BNB. I'd recommend about $30 because of the $6.99 monthly fee, plus there's the $22 minimum deposit for now. So just start off $30 minimum to your account, and then just deposit that money to your card. Now you can proceed to the card tab and finally top up your card. Now just accept the policy and top up to the limit you want, with the minimum of $22. So I'm just adding 35 because that's what's in my current balance right now, and simply top up. Sign, and as easy as that, the money will be added in your card. As you can see, it's $963 and it should update $998. As easy as that. Now if you want to do online purchases, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, just go to card details. And as you can see, once I inputted my information, I was able to access my Apple Pay with my OKSE card.
Yeah. You recording? Yeah. I did, it was TV broadcasting here at Algonquin. So I'm out clean. I'm not a student, man. I don't do well at school.
So what are you looking to do?
Well, right now I'm running my own business.
And as you can see from my transactions, you can see my earlier top up and also my purchase for breakfast right here.